Hello wonderful and lovely people of YouTube. Today I am going to show you how I make a brownie in a mug because I really fancy one. So yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, I have now teleported to my kitchen. For this recipe what you will need is a microwavable mug, preferably not a new one because they can get quite messy and like a little bit stuck in it afterwards. A microwave, which is over there. Sugar. Plain flour, preferably not self-raising as it can get a little bit messy. I'm going to use cocoa powder, or you can use hot chocolate powder, but I'm going to use cocoa powder as I'm making a vegan version. Not because I am vegan, just because dairy really does not agree with me. And on that note, you also need some margarine or butter, or in my case, vegan butter, and a tablespoon. Also, you might like to add a pinch of salt, and or some vanilla essence or extract, whatever you call it, for personal preference or flavouring. You can also add mini marshmallows at the end, which I sometimes do, but I don't have any of those today. Anyway, let's get on.
First things first, you need to add 2 tablespoons of butter into your mug. Next, you need to microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds, just so the butter can soften and or melt. Now the butter's melted, we need to add 2 tablespoons of water from the tap. The next step is to add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or hot chocolate powder. We now give this fella a nice little mix, just so all the chocolate powder is mixed in with all the butter. There you go. Now for 4 tablespoons of sugar, and to give it a nice little mix again. Next up is roughly 3 tablespoons of plain flour. We now also mix this in with a pinch of salt as well. Once it's all mixed in, it should be the consistency of normal cake mixture. Still quite liquidy, but sticks to the spoon really. Now back in the microwave for another 30 seconds to a minute and a half. There we have one cooked brownie in a mug, which, depending on how you prefer it, can either be more cakey or, as I prefer it, a little bit gooey still. But it goes very well as a quick dessert.
So there we have it. There's how to make a brownie in a mug, or how I make a brownie in a mug, which I have right here, which I like to just have as a bit of a very chocolatey snack. And as I said, this one's fully vegan, just because dairy does not like me at all. But you can make it with normal butter and normal hot chocolate powder, and add whatever you feel like you want to in it, like marshmallows or vanilla flavouring or anything you like, and feel free to adapt it or comment how your brownie in a mug went. And in the words of Tigger from Winnie the Pooh, TTFN, ta-ta for now, bye!